If you're getting a itch.io error 422, don't worry. This is usually a simple request or upload issue, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest ways to fix it. Whether you're uploading a file, submitting a form, or trying to publish something on itch.io, this error often means the page didn't like one of the details you entered. So before you keep clicking around and making it worse, stay with me and we'll solve it step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick fixes and easy tech tutorials. It really helps the channel, and it tells me to make more videos just like this. Alright, let's get into the first fix. The very first thing you should do is refresh the page. Sometimes itch.io just needs a clean reload, especially if the page timed out or something didn't load correctly. After refreshing, take a moment to check your input carefully. If you're filling out a form, make sure every field is correct. If you're uploading a file, double-check the file name, the file type, and any form details you entered. A small typo or an incomplete field can trigger error 422 right away. Next, if your issue happened during an upload, try re-uploading the file. Sometimes the upload process gets interrupted, or the file doesn't register properly the first time. Cancel the upload if needed, choose the file again, and submit it one more time. Make sure the file is the exact one you want to use and that it's not corrupted. Another important step is clearing your browser cache and cookies. Old browser data can interfere with how itch.io loads pages or processes submissions. If the site is holding on to outdated session data, that can cause strange errors like 422. After clearing your cache and cookies, close the browser tab completely, open it again, and try the action one more time. This simple step fixes a lot of website issues. You should also make sure the file format and file size are correct. If itch.io expects a specific file type and you upload something else, the site may reject it. The same goes for files that are too large. Before uploading again, confirm that your file matches the platform's requirements. If necessary, compress the file, rename it, or export it in a supported format. If you've checked everything and the error still appears, try again after some time. Sometimes the issue is on the website side, or the server is temporarily having trouble processing requests. Waiting a little while and trying again later can resolve the problem without you needing to change anything. So to quickly recap, the main fixes for itch.io error 422 are refresh the page, check your input, re-upload the file, clear your browser cache and cookies, make sure the file format and size are correct, and try again after some time if needed. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the problem fast. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.